The beautiful kingfisher is one of my favourite birds to photograph. My personal preference is to photograph these birds as they go about their business in their natural environment, completely uninfluenced by my presence. If I have a relationship with these birds, I find it a strange one. I know them, their behaviour, and their favourite places extremely well, yet if I'm doing my job correctly, they don't even know that I exist. Over the years, I have been fortunate to have been close enough to these beautiful small birds to fill the frame with them should I so choose. I'm currently working on a number of goals, including capturing photographs which show the kingfisher in their natural habitat. At this stage, I have only owned my Fuji XH2S for a number of weeks, yet already I feel comfortable with its design. I like the placement of the dials and buttons, and I feel confident that it will help me capture the photographs that I have in mind. However, I know it will take me many months, if not a year, to capture all the photographs that I want, but I'm okay with that. My goals will take time to fulfill. I think that gear is important for wildlife photography, with many newer cameras offering a number of advantages. As a full-time photographer, I will use my Fuji XH2S for a number of purposes, but I purchase it to be used mainly for wildlife photography. The stacked sensor, high frames per second shooting, subject detection and other features combined with my existing lenses made it the right choice for me. I spend entire days along riverbanks hoping to see a kingfisher. Some people may ask, is it worth it? I know my answer, but everyone will have their own opinion. As I wait, sometimes a different visitor will make an appearance. To some, the thought of spending hours on a riverbank may sound enjoyable, and it often is, but it requires patience and a certain level of endurance. There are many unpleasant factors to encounter, such as bad weather and insects, with midges and ticks being particularly troublesome. On this day alone I was bitten by one tick, and I found another 5 across myself and my photography gear. As much as I love nature, I certainly don't enjoy their company. Nature can be unpredictable, and some days I leave without a single photograph, but if I see even the brief flash of blue of a passing kingfisher, it will lift my spirits and it makes the day worthwhile. Today, after hours of waiting without a single sighting, I begin to wonder, will I even catch a glimpse of a kingfisher? I wait as time slowly passes. Then, eventually, a kingfisher appears. It's time to very carefully take my photographs. It's been a long day, and at this point I'm not even sure how many hours I've been out for, but now it's time to take my leave. I managed to get 2 kingfisher photographs and 1 of a robin. The kingfisher didn't even know I was there, so overall I feel it was a very successful day. Until the next time.